So yeah, this is the Snoppa Kylin M, and on it I have a quick release plate that I purchased off of Amazon for $8. I have the small rig cage with a wooden handle on the A6500 with the pancake lens, the wide angle adapter, and a Rode Video Micro, and it balances pretty well. I have no issues with the motor strength or any kind of vibrations or anything like that. I cannot go all the way back, of course, because the microphone will pop right there. And also, when you use the cable in this setup that they provide for you, it does bump, so I can't really go all the way down. So these are some of the limitations that I've seen with this setup, but for the most part, it balances really well. I have no problems, and I'm going to show you some footage right now of me using it with my sunset. So again, this is the Kylin M by Snoppa. It's a $250 gimbal, and it's way better, I think, than paying $700 for a small setup like this. Now when you go to something bigger like a Canon 1DX, then the Ronin S might make a little bit more sense, but I'm trying to be really budget conscious, and the Sony A6500 helps me get 4K footage along with the GoPro Hero 5 Session, GoPro Hero 6 Black. So all 4K beasts for the price. So yeah. So this is the Snoppa Kylin M. I have it balanced on with my A6500 and the Rode Video mic. The cool thing about it is it balances with my small rig cage, and it balances with the Rode Video Micro on top. So it's pretty much a good setup for this situation. I'm able to roll it, bounce. It keeps its position. I can't go all the way inverted because the microphone system. So that's a trick I'm gonna have to figure out. But it does balance. It does stay balanced. It doesn't wobble too much. And yeah, I'm happy with it. So again, this is the Rode Video Micro on top, and I got the Sony A6500 and a small rig cage. I'm using the pancake lens with the wide angle adapter to record this video, so it gives me like a little wide perspective, and it keeps it balanced. So pretty happy with it, and I think you will be too.